धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत Sanjay. Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjay, what did my sons, desirous of battle, and the sons of Pandu do after assembling at the holy land of righteousness, Kurukshetra? दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं युण्डं दुर्योधनस्तथा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्. Sanjay said, at that time, King Duryodhana, after seeing the army of Pandava arranged in military phalanx, approached near his respected preceptor Dronacharya and spoke these words. पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं च मुं व्युण्डा द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता. O respected preceptor, please behold the mighty army of Pandava arranged in military phalanx by your intelligent disciple Drishtadyumna, the son of Drupada. अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः. In these military divisions are great bowmen equal to Bhima and Arjuna in battles such as Satyaki, King Virajta, and the mighty chariot warrior Drupada. दृष्टिकेतुश्च कीतानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित्कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपङ्गवः. Drishtaketu, Chekitana, the powerful king of Kashi, Purujit, Kunti Bhoja, and King Saibya are the noblest of men. युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्त उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः. The valiant Yudhamanyu, the courageous Uttamauja, Abhimanyu, the son of Subhadra, and the son of Draupadi, certainly are all mighty chariot warriors. अस्माकं तु वशिष्ठा ये तन्निबोधद्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थतान् ब्रवीमि ते. O best of the twice born Brahmana, please note those who are especially qualified amongst us to lead my military forces. For your information, I am naming them. भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च. Your respected self and Bhishma and Karna, and always victorious in battle Kripa, and Ashwathama and Vikarna, Burisarva and Jayadratha, the king of Sindhu. अन्ये च बहवः शूरा मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः. All of them, equipped with many weapons, expert in military science, are prepared to risk their lives for my sake, as well as great many other heroes. अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलभीमाभिरक्षितम्. An army protected by the strength of Bhishma is unlimited, but the army of Pandavas, being protected by the strength of Bhima, is limited. अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थितः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि. All of you must certainly fully protect Bhishma, foremost at all strategic points situated respectively in your various formations. तस्य सञ्जन यहर्ष कुरुवृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादं विन्यदज्जेह शङ्खददमो प्रतापवान्. Then Bhishman, the valiant grandsire of Kuru dynasty, roaring like a king, blew his conch shell very loudly on increasing Duryodhana's cheerfulness. Verse 13. ततशङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च प्रणवानकगोमुखाः सहसेवाभ्य हन्यन्त सशब्दस्तूमुलोऽभवत्. Thereafter, conch shells, bugles, trumpets, kettle drums, and cow horn suddenly were all simultaneously sounded, and that combined sound became limitless. ततश्वेतहर्ययुक्ते महति स्यनन्दने स्थितो माधवः पाण्डवाश्चैव दिव्यो शङ्खो प्रदध्मतो. Therefore, both Lord Krishna and Arjuna, stationed on a magnificent chariot, harnessed by white horses, resounding their transcendental conches. पांचजन्य ऋषिकेशो देवदन्तधनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रदत्मुपाः शङ्ख भीमकर्मावृकोदरा. Lord Krishna blew his conch shell Panchjanya, and Arjuna he blew his conch shell Devadatta, and Bhima, the activator of incredible prowess, blew the great conch shell Pondra. Antavijaya राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सहदेवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पको काशश्च परमेश्वास शिखण्डी च महारथः दृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च पराजितः द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वश्च पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहो शङ्खान् ददमुः पृथक् पृथक्. अनंत विजयः Now King Yudhishthira, son of Kunti, blew his conch shell. Anantavijaya and Nakula and Sahadev blew the conch shell, Sughosha and Manipushpaka. O King, the expert bowman, King of Kashi, and mighty chariot warrior Shikhandi, Drishtadyumna, and King Virata, the unquarrable Satyaki, and King Drupada of Panchala, the son of Draupadi, and Abhimanyu, the mighty armed son of Subhadra, all blew their respective conch shells. Verse 19. सघोषोद्रात्रराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यदारयत नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादायन. The uproarious vibration resounding in the sky as well as the land shattered the heart of son Dhritarashtra. अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धृतराष्ट्रानकपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शास्त्रं सम्पाते धनुरत्मज्ञपणपाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं तथा वाक्यं मिदमाह महीपते. O King, thereafter, while about to engage in releasing a weapon, Arjuna, on whose banner Hanuman is pictured, having observed the sons of Dhritarashtra ready for battle, all that time taking up his bows and spoke these words unto Lord Krishna. Arjuna uvacha सैन्योरुभयो मध्ये रथं स्थापय मेच्युत यावतेतानिरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानिवस्थितान् कैर्मर्यैः सह योद्धव्यमस्मिन् रणसम्मुध्ये मे. Arjun said, "O Krishna, please place my chariot between both the armies so that I may look upon those warriors arrayed for battle with whom I have to fight in preparation for combat." Verse 23. Totsya मानानवेक्षेऽहं य एतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धे युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः. Let me see those warriors who have assembled you in this battle, as well as wishers of evil-minded Duryodhana. Verse 24, Sanjay Uvacha. Sanjay said, Eva mukto rishikesho godakeshena bharata senyoro bhayo madhye sthapayitva rathotamam. Sanjay said, O Dhritarashtra, thus being addressed by Arjuna, Lord Krishna drew up that finest of chariots between both the armies of Kaurava and Pandavas. भीष्मद्रोणा प्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्येतान् स अमेवेतान् कुरुनिति. In front of Bhishma, Drona and all the kings of the world, and said, Behold, Arjuna, all the assembled members of King Kuru dynasty. Tatra pashyati स्थितान् पाथ पितॄनथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सङ्कीर्थिता शशुरान् सहदेष्वे seniorubhayoraphi. Thereafter, Arjun, situated therein, could observe in both the armies fatherly elders, grandfatherly elders, teachers, maternal uncles, brothers, sons, grandsons, friends, father-in-law, and well-wishers. It was very sad for him to see everybody standing to fight. Verse 27. Tan samikshya sa kaunteyaha sarvan bandhunavasthitan kripaya pariyavishto vishidanedamabravit. After seeing all the king's men present, Arjuna became overwhelmed with compassion and then, stricken by grief, spoke this. Now Arjuna is talking. Arjuna Uvacha Trishdvemam Swajanam Krishnam Yutsav Samuparasthitam Siddhanti Mama Katrani Mukham Cha Parishushyati. Arjun said, O Krishna, seeing all these king's men assembled ready for battle, the limbs of my body are weakening and my mouth is drying up. Verse 29. Vepayushcha sharire me romaharscha jayate gandivam strasate hastatva kacheva paridyatate. My whole body is trembling and my hair is standing on end. My bow Gandiva is slipping from my hands and my skin is burning. Verse 30. न च शक्नोम्यवस्थान्तु भ्रमतीव च मे मनः निमितानि च पश्यामि viparitani Keshava. O Krishna, I am unable to keep composed. My mind is unsteady and I see dire indication of inauspicious omens. न च श्रेयो न पुष्यामि हत्वा सुचिनं वाहवे न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण च राज्यं सुखानि च. O Krishna, I don't see any good in slaying king's men in this battle, nor do I desire victory, nor a kingdom or even happiness. Verse 32, 33, 34 and 35. किं नो राज्येन गोविन्द किं भोगीजीर्वितेन वा येषार्मर्थे काङ्क्षितं नो राज्यं भोगासुखानि च तम इमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणस्सन्त्यक्त्वा धनानि च आचार्यः पितरः पुत्रस्थैव च पितामहा मातुलः श्वशुरः पौत्रः श्यालः सम्बन्धिनस्तथा एतान् हन्तुमिच्छामि धन्तोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराजस्य हेतुः किं नु मही कृते निहत्य धातराष्ट्रान् का प्रीतिः स जानदन. O Krishna, what value are kingdoms? What value is living for happiness if they for whom our kingdom, material pleasures, and happiness is desired, preceptors, fatherly elders, sons, and grandfatherly elders, maternal uncles, father in law, grandsons, brother in law, and relatives all are present on this battlefield, ready to give up their kingdom and very lives, O Krishna. Even they want to take my life, I do not wish to take their life, O Krishna. What to speak for the sake of the earth, even for the rulership of the three worlds, in exchange for slaying the sons of the Dhritarashtra, what happiness will be derived by us? पापमेवाश्रयेत्तस्मान् हत्वेतानादहीनः तस्मान्नाह वयं हन्तु धृतराष्ट्रान् स्म सभाबन्धवान् सचिनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधवः. O Krishna, by killing these aggressors, sins will surely come upon us. Therefore, it is not proper of us to slay the sons of Dhritarashtra along with our family members, since how by slaying our own kinsmen will we be happy? Verse 37 and 38. यद्यपेतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहतचेतसः कुलक्षकृतं दोषं मित्रदोहे च पातकं कथं न ज्ञेयस्मस्माभिः पापदस्मान्निवर्तितुं कुलक्षकृतं दोषं प्रपश्यति जनार्दन. O Krishna, although these men are their heart afflicted by greed, do not see the sinful reaction in quarreling with friends and the crime of destroying family members. Why would we not refrain from their sinful and act understandings, these grievous crimes of destroying family members? Why should we fight this battle? Verse 39. कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति कुलधर्माः सनातनः धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृत्स्नमर्धमो भीमव्यत्युत. With the destruction of family, the spiritual traditions of the family perish forever. When spiritual values are destroyed, then unrighteousness predominates the entire society. अधर्मारभिभवात् कृष्णप्रदुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रिय स्त्रीषु दृष्टासु वार्ष्णेय जायते वर्णसंकरः. O Krishna, when unrighteousness is predominant, when women in the family become degraded, and from the degradation of womanhood, O Krishna, undesirable progeny comes into existence. Sankaro नरकायैव कुलग्नानां कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो येषां luptapindodaka kriyaha. Such undesirable population certainly creates a hellish situations for both the family and the destroyers of the family. Their ancestors suddenly fall down due to the cessation of performing offerings of food and water. Verse 42. दोषैरितैः कुलग्नानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्मः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वतः. Such heinous deeds by all those destroyers of family gives rise to a population of undesirable progeny, completely eradicating the time-honored spiritual traditions of the family and nobility of lineage. Verse 43. Ussannakula-dharmanam manushyanam janardana narke niyatam vaso bhavati tyunushrushruma. O Krishna, I have heard from the learned that those persons whose spiritual family traditions have been destroyed perpetually become residents in the hell. Aho batamahat papam katum vyavasita vayam yadam rajya sukhalobhena anto svajananamudyataha. Also, how strange it is that we have resolved to commit great sin just because of greed for royal luxuries. We are prepared to slay our own Krishna kingsmen. यदि माम प्रतीकार शस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः धातराष्ट्रारणे हन्युस्तनं मे क्षेमतरं भवेत्. Even if sons of the Dhritarashtra's armed with weapons in hand slay me unarmed and unresisting on the battlefield, that would be considered better for me. एवमुक्त्वा संजय उवाच एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः सङ्ख्यैरथोपस्थ उपवशत् विसज्जय सशरं चापशोकसंविघ्नमानस. Sanjay said, thus having spoken, Arjuna cast aside his bows and arrows on the battlefield and sat down on the seat of chariot, his mind overwhelmed with deep sorrow.